It's the morning of September 22nd. It's my last day at work, and I wanted to take you all on this journey with me. In my last video, I told you all one of my tips was to take some time to decompress in between jobs. I am taking time to decompress. I was able to take 3 days of annual leave so that I can decompress in between jobs. Hopefully this is enough time, but I'll make do with what I have. I'm gonna be taking you all with me the next few days because I do have some send-off parties that my colleagues and friends will be throwing for me. So I think it'll be really fun. And later on, I'm gonna show you my journal entry for manifesting jobs that I wrote out specifically for this position. The tips that I give you all are the things that I do on a regular basis for myself. I absolutely did all those things that I talked about in my manifestation video, so I will be giving you all a sneak peek into that as well. The next few days will also be devoted to doing a deep clean of my space. It's always uplifting to my spirit when everything is tidy and in place. Beyond that, I want my environment to reflect the fresh, clean start of this new season. Only filming one of the send-off parties. I completely forgot at the first one, but you know how that goes. The past few days haven't been filled with as much downtime as I originally anticipated, but everything that I've been doing has been beneficial, whether that was allowing myself to be celebrated or just taking a little bit more time in my day to relax. It's been all good. I feel really good. I'm still not quite ready yet, but with today being Saturday, that still gives me a couple of days to mentally prepare, and I absolutely plan to do that. I'm really looking forward to this next chapter, and as promised earlier, I'm going to give you a quick glimpse into what my journal looks like when I am being deliberate about manifesting, in this case, manifesting a job. I'm going to show you a little bit and really talk you through that even more in depth than my original video. So let's take a look at that. This is currently one of my favorite journals to write in. I find it beneficial to get journals that either have words or colors that resonate with me. This is the beginning of the actual journal entry I wrote on March 29th of 2020 regarding what type of position I wanted. 6 months later, and I'm transitioning to the position I wrote about in my journal. Quick shout out to Jess from Bahati Life. She has a full video about the approach she uses when writing out her prayer requests. The journal entry I just shared was inspired by her method. I'll link the video below for anyone who's interested. Here, I'm mainly showing you the length of my journal entry. This specific entry ended up being about 4 pages long. And as I mentioned in my last video, I went into great detail talking about what I wanted to do, what type of environment I wanted to work in, how I wanted to interact with my colleagues, my supervisor. All of the pages include these details. I'm extremely grateful for this answered prayer, and I look forward to bringing you all along my personal journey of growth. That's all for this week. I hope to see you all again sooner rather than later.